becomes a key to success. It's the key for teaching others how to benefit from what they have, from what they don't see or don't even realize. Under the theme of education, we chose our topic to be initiating a mobile library because nowadays technology is taking over books, and the Lebanese society, especially teenagers, are overwhelmed with technology, which is killing their enthusiasm for reading. Our goal is to increase the knowledge in Arabic literature because the teenagers are forgetting their native language, and if you check out the percentages of failures in the Arabic official exams, you find that most of the students fail the Arabic exam, and the ones who pass with a normal average.
Our scope is divided into two sections, the project scope and the product scope. The project scope begins with project planning, contacting sponsors, media coverage, volunteer recruitment, preparation of the van, and at last we start the journey. Our product scope is a mobile library in a van covering all regions in Lebanon.
First of all, for a successful project, we should start by planning it right. So we divided the time. First week was made for initiation. So we decided, first of all, to go to a car rental company to rent a van for our project, and then we went to a library where we can get books to realize our project, because our project is a library, a mobile library. Then we started by a press conference to tell all the Lebanese people about our project, the van that will go to their region. They should know about it. And we made a website, www.libraryaroundlebanon.com. Then the second time, we divided the other weeks, the seven weeks, in a cycle. We start by announcing the route, then opening the library in a public area. We start the book exchange. Someone brings the books he have. We give him books, and we exchange with new books. Exchange them with new books, in order not to get lost and to lose the books. Then after time, they will return the books. We will close the library and move toward the next location. And we divided the route in 7 locations. First of all, Tripoli, then Shbeir, then Jounieh, then Beirut, then Shuf, then Saida, and finally Sur.
Okay. Now we are going to talk about the cost for our project, the financial part. In order to know the total expense that we will have to pay in order to realize this project, we decided to divide it into different categories, as you can see, supplies and media. Okay, supplies, we decided to go for pens, papers, petroleum, and materials in order to design the bus. Okay, which should be a total of $470. Then there will be the media. By media, we mean the advertising part, which will be for flyers and billboards, and which should cost around $230, which will make a total expense of $700. Then there will be the sponsors, which could reduce the cost in a certain way. For example, when we should rent the van, when we will get the books from other libraries, and in order to design the bus. But the bus design is optional, because maybe the design company might not accept this. That's why we wrote it will be an option.
In our project, there are some negative risks and some opportunities. The negative risks are the lack of motivation and the lack of funds and the unpredictable accidents. Our opportunities are early success of the campaign and finding more sponsors and volunteers.
But we have solutions for risks. Lack of motivation, we can boost the media campaign, and so we will get more people to come and see the project. The lack of funds, we can go and ask for more sponsors, and we are in a society where the marketing is the marketing is dominant in the business industry. So all societies are interested in sponsorship to get a better marketing. And unpredictable accidents like a car crash, we will get insurance for all the volunteers that will work with us. So we won't have a problem with this.
We still have 30 seconds.
And the final part will be the resources that we need in order to realize our project. There will be the volunteers, for example, the bus driver and the librarians, which will be rotated throughout the project depending on the location. Then there will be the bus itself and the books that will be furnished by the library. Media coverage, which could be generalized and which could be, summarized. So in a summary, they will say in each location what did we do, or it could be live streaming on the spot every day. Then there will be petroleum by a certain gas station, which we will try to get as a sponsor. And in the end, the stationery, which will be pens, papers, and all the material that we need. And the job that each one of us has to do, depending on the contacts that he has and the capabilities that he has, is divided here in this RACI chart.
You have maximum 10 seconds to wrap up.
Okay. In conclusion, education is the strongest weapon you can use to change the world. We can use education to solve all social problems. And thank you.